News now, a new warning about COVID. A Western New York doctor explains what steps you need to take with a new variant called Flirt as we move into the summer.
I think there's an increasing sense that COVID is behind us, but unfortunately it is not. It is still a potentially lethal disease.
That alert about COVID comes from UB professor Dr. Tom Russo. He's also the chief of infectious disease at UB and at the VA of Western New York. He recently addressed the new Flirt variants in the journal Prevention.
It appears they're more immune invasive, which means that the antibodies that we've been building up from vaccination and prior infection are not quite as effective against these new variants.
In other words, the new variant is not linked to more serious cases of COVID, but you may be more likely to catch this new virus. Dr. Russo says that the variants are very new and research on them is in the very early stages. But he also adds that it's important not to become complacent.
We anticipate as we get into the summer months, particularly in settings where it's hot and people congregate indoors in poorly ventilated venues with air conditioning, we know that's a setting where this virus spreads particularly well.
Yes, seniors, people with weakened immune systems, and people with pre-existing conditions still remain most at risk for COVID. Dr. Russo says if that's not you, it could be your family, your friends, maybe even a neighbor. He says vaccines and masking still provides the best protection.